Welcome to Cebu International Academy's resort-style campus in Mactan, Cebu, Philippines. Established in 2003, CIA now provides all the facilities for a blissful vacation stay, accompanied by all the amenities conducive for reaching your English language goals. Students will be able to choose from 5 different types of rooms to assure peaceful nights, which will be accompanied by an effective and memorable educational experience. Learners can opt for semi-Sparta style learning to guarantee results, or engage in a more laid-back method of study for family groups and international companies conducting team building. In every facet of studying English, from maintaining your health to housekeeping and laundry services, and dining on wholesome, delicious meals, CIA is here for you. Welcome to Cebu International Academy, where there's a host of assistants ready to serve your every purpose. From the most dedicated educators, the most comfortable amenities, and a myriad of employees specialized in assisting you. Make your story with CIA.